more and more technology comes out with, and more and more people just get like stimulated and addicted to it, and like you can't even have a conversation with anyone because I mean they're just looking at their phones the entire time. So I think in future generations, I mean that's what our kids are gonna look at us and we'll be doing.
Our generation specifically, I mean, it's good for us. It's definitely very beneficial. Technology is nowadays for us, but I also think that it can induce laziness because I mean we have everything in our hand. We can just tap a screen and the answer's there. And I mean I'm not saying that the entire generation as a whole is not hardworking and is lazy, but it definitely encourages it a lot more than it used to. In the future, it could be the advancement of it could be a negative thing. Just because, well, I mean, I might be an old soul, but I think that human interaction is just so important.
Right now, when I go to restaurants or see people out in restaurants and they're not talking to each other, they're looking down their phones, I find that somewhat aggravating and a little disappointing. I think that people aren't communicating quite as well as they used to. We're not having those same type of friendships, and that I think we're losing a little bit of that ability to have a personal relationship with friends.
I mean, like I said before, you cannot have a conversation with anyone and feel like they're actually listening because they're also having like 4 other conversations on their phone. And so, I mean, it's just not doing any good for us, really. Last year, I was talking to this guy and I like couldn't talk to him in person, but I was fine over text because I didn't have to see him face to face. So when I finally did see him face to face, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't sit behind a screen and you not know like what I'm like actually freaking out right now. I just can look cool, but then in person I looked so. With that, it spiraled downhill into a big pile of mess because I couldn't carry a conversation because I was so dependent on the screen like protecting me.